In this video, I'll show you how to use Polymarket in the US or from anywhere else and how to get started step by step. In some regions, access to certain platforms can be limited, which is why using a VPN is a simple way to protect your connection and maintain your privacy while accessing them. It encrypts your data, hides your IP address, and helps you stay secure while browsing. After testing different options, two VPNs clearly stand out for this: NordVPN and Surfshark. I'll quickly go over what they offer so you can decide which one works best for you. If you want to get the best deal on either of them, check the link in the pinned comment below. That's where you'll find the latest discounts available right now. Starting with NordVPN. This is one of the fastest and most complete VPN services available right now. It offers thousands of high-speed servers across 200 plus locations, with speeds reaching over 800 megabits per second thanks to the NordLynx protocol and high-performance 10 gigabits per second servers. You also get unlimited bandwidth with no throttling and a strict no-logs policy, meaning your activity isn't tracked. On top of that, it works on up to 10 devices at the same time, so you can protect everything you use. When it comes to features, NordVPN includes things like threat protection to block malware, ads, and trackers, scam call protection, dark web monitoring for your data, and additional tools that improve your overall privacy and security. You also get core features like strong encryption, kill switch for connection drops, split tunneling for control over apps, double VPN for extra security, smart play for smooth streaming, and private DNS for better privacy. There's also MeshNet, which lets you securely connect devices, share files, or even play LAN games remotely. When it comes to pricing, NordVPN offers a few plans depending on what you need. The longer plans, especially the 2-year option, give you the best value. It's worth checking all the plan details yourself to see exactly which features you need and what fits you best. Next is Surfshark. This is another top-tier VPN, known for its speed, stability, and overall flexibility. It runs on a global network of 4,500 plus servers across 100 countries, giving you consistent performance no matter where you are. It's also one of the fastest VPNs available, reaching speeds of over 950 megabits per second, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, and everyday use without slowdowns. Surfshark comes with a wide range of features, including double VPN for extra encryption, obfuscated servers to hide VPN usage, split tunneling for control, and a kill switch to protect your data at all times. You also get no borders mode for restricted networks, clean web to block ads and trackers, and even a cookie pop-up blocker for a cleaner browsing experience. There are also options like static IP and dedicated IP for more advanced use cases. In terms of overall benefits, you get things like IP hiding, support for multiple devices, strong encryption, modern protocols, high speeds, and a strict no-logs policy, all focused on keeping your connection secure and private. Just like with NordVPN, Surfshark offers different plans depending on your needs, and again, the longer plans, especially the 2-year option, are the most cost-effective. It's worth checking all the plan options to see what works best for you. So overall, both NordVPN and Surfshark are excellent choices. It really comes down to what you personally need, whether it's specific features, flexibility, or overall performance. Make sure to check both options, compare their features, and choose the one that fits your needs best. And if you want to get the best price, check the link in the pinned comment below. That's where you'll find the latest discounts available right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.